Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing of Lori Harvey Skincare line. Now a lot of people, especially in my skincare groups, my specifically women of color skincare groups, they weren't too excited about this line. But me on the other hand, I've been extremely excited just when she announced that she was doing a skincare line, because I know that she's going to offer quality. I know that her and her mother are both into luxury and couture and things like that, so I'm expecting her brand to represent that. This is how it came. I'm not really sure how long it took. So I placed the order on 10/23 and I received it sometime over the weekend, so I don't know, not too bad as far as shipping and all that. But anyway, let's just jump into it. So the cost of Lori's 5-step system, which is every single thing that she offered, was $195. I got it all in this box right here. I have yet to open it. I've been waiting a couple of days to get this open. But I have some scissors here. Actually, we're gonna use this razor just in case. Makes it a lot easier. And I think the box is cute. I'm always big on packaging. Like, if I'm paying a pretty penny for the items that are inside the box, I'm expecting packaging across the board. That means delivery, the packaging for the products itself, all of that, shipping boxes, all of that needs to be up to par. And I think this is super duper cute. Inside of it, sounds like it's a little bit shaky. Oh my God. This would have been really cute if the items did fall through, but I'll show that to you guys in a second. So I have a packing slip that came in the mail, came in the box. And then here we have something that, we got a little message in there. You're one step closer to better skin. Okay, girl. I better be with the price you charge for these items. To be honest with you, I'm not really expecting nothing less when it comes to Lori. This is how it looks. I'm gonna pull this out. Unfortunately, the items kind of go through it, and I think it would have been super cute. I'm gonna fix it up. Honestly, I don't know if I can blame the mail people for that, or more so me tossing around at the house. I don't know. But we're gonna stick it in there and pretend like it. Oh no, I think that's just how it is. Oh, I don't know. It looks good. Don't get me wrong. It looks good. I just think the box is a little off. Okay, so I fixed it. This is how it should look. Super cute. I think they're lacking a little bit of structure to support all of these items in this box the way that they want to. So that's probably why it just fell out the way it did. But overall, I get it. I get the concept. It looks good, really cute. So when you open it, boom, this is how it should look. All 5 items. So let's start with step 1. The first one is the cleanser. And then it says step 1 on here, so you're not getting confused. Super duper cute. She has the ounces. She has overall with the ingredient list, just glancing at the ingredient list, because I'm somebody who formulates products obviously, I'm impressed. I'm extremely impressed with just the ingredients itself. Like, it's decent. It doesn't look like something she is just marketing, especially all the extracts that she's using, because the preservatives are all the way at the bottom, the last 2 ingredients on the list. So that was a plus. I love to see that. Here are all of the items out of the box. So we have step 1, the cleanser. And then I am going to leave the list of ingredients right here on the screen for you. Super nice. Has great instructions. Tells you what the product was designed to do. Warning, and then who it's distributed by. Step 2, white tea toner. Super duper cute. Same thing, directions, what it's meant for, warning, who it's distributed by. Step 3, vitamin C serum. Let me open this up. You know what? Let me see something. Okay, toner has a spray like that. Cleanser. Sorry, I'm going to step back. I want to see, do you screw it on? No? Okay, that's a little tough. Okay, cleanser has a pump. Thought I could see there's a tube in there, but maybe not. That's a little difficult to pop back on. It's on there. Okay, serum. It's a drop. Oh, this is something different. Okay. Let me see how that works. So maybe you will pump it first. That's different. I've never seen that like this. Like that. Okay. I thought I was gonna do a little bit more, but it's just, it got a little pump action at the top to collect the product in the tube, and then you just apply it to your face. This one, I've already opened. This is the eye complex. And right, like initially when you look at it, I'm not gonna lie, it's giving lip gloss. Lip gloss is popping, a little, you know, Bath and Body Works type chapstick lip gloss or whatever. But when you open it, it's got a little tube to apply on your eyes. I wanna wash my face before I do that because I've been all over the place this morning. And then we have the cream. The cream, honey. The cream. And let's open it up. It does come with a spatula / spoon. I normally don't use these. I have my own little personal thing I like to do. Pop that off. Most of the creams that I use come like this. So I think that's cute. I think it's nice. And it's actually a pretty heavy jar to say you only get what? I think you get 1.69 fluid ounces in that. So that is it for the initial video, the unboxing video. I hope you guys stay tuned for part 2 where I actually use the product. And then part 3, I'm gonna give you guys my 1-month review on the product. I know I normally don't switch up my skincare line. Not unless my skin just ain't feeling the particular product that I'm using, which is normal. Wintertime, summertime, my skin, it'd be on a whole nother vibe. It needs something different. So I'm actually excited to try this. I wanna see what it's gonna do for my skin. I am somebody who has sensitive skin and I don't play around with my skin. So I'm expecting Lori to give what she's supposed to give. I'm expecting her team to show up and show out with these products, especially for the price. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Baby,